Have you ever bought a DVD from another country only to find it won't play on your player? That's because of something called a DVD region code. It's a kind of digital lock created by movie studios to control release dates, pricing, and content in different parts of the world. DVDs are divided into regions, like Region 1 for the US and Canada, Region 2 for Europe and Japan, Region 3 for Asia, and so on, while Blu-ray discs have a simpler A-B-C system. If your player's region doesn't match the discs, you'll get an error. Region codes are part of digital rights management. They allow studios to release movies at different times in different markets, set different prices, and even edit content according to local regulations. From a business perspective, it makes sense. But for movie lovers, it can be frustrating when a disc you bought overseas refuses to play. The most reliable way to solve the problem is to use DVDFab's DVD Ripper and conversion function. After installing DVDFab, insert your DVD or load your ISO file. The software will automatically detect the disc and remove the region lock, including the tougher RCE, Region Code Enhanced Protection. You can then choose any output format, such as MP4, MKV, or AVI, and save it as a digital file. Plus, DVDFab enables you to get rid of any copy protection, including Synavia. This way, your movie becomes region-free forever and can be played on any device. If you don't want to convert discs to digital, you can buy a region-free DVD or Blu-ray player. These devices are designed to play discs from any region. Some existing players can be unlocked by entering a special code with the remote. But keep in mind that most players limit you to just a few region changes before locking again. Also, make sure your TV supports the disc's video format, PAL or NTSC, otherwise it may still fail to display correctly. So next time you get a foreign DVD, don't let region codes stop you.